Not just for cooking, though best known as a kitchen spice, onions have a long history as a traditional medicine in many cultures, used to treat colds, coughs, and digestive problems. What causes sore eyes, and how to fix them? Volatile sulfur compounds, sulfoxides, released when onions are cut are a major cause of sore eyes. To reduce this, you can cut them under running water, chill them in the refrigerator before cutting, or use a very sharp knife. Powerful source of antioxidants. Onions are rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids like quercetin and anthocyanins, which give their skin its red color. These antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body. Heart health benefits. Regular consumption of onions has been linked to improved heart health. The quercetin in them can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol.